The problem today is that many people are anxious, worried about money, and they're even fearful about the future. The world needs positive energy in order to thrive. And you know what? Feng Shui, it's practical and it works. Our lives are stuffed with accumulating stuff. We already know that, right? We know that we have too much stuff. If you learn to take charge of your space, you'll be able to remove many of these distractions and frustrations in life. Begin by using Feng Shui today. I'm going to give you 3 things you can do right now. Do it right now. First of all, let's start with your desk, okay? First of all, clean and tidy the desk. Just clean it up. The drawers, everything. Just do it, okay? Second of all, toss or donate all the stuff that you don't need anymore. Just get rid of it. All that stuff is bogging you down. It's heavy. It's just making you stuck, okay? And third, be sure to leave some clean space, clean horizontal space for the money to land when it comes in, okay? You've got to be prepared for that prosperity. By creating some sense of order, you'll be able to function with less stress and be able to make sound decisions for your financial future. I'm Kathryn Wilking. I'm an author, a decorator, and a Feng Shui expert, and I love to help others learn to sort out their space, find fulfillment, and lead a prosperous, rewarding lifestyle. For more information, you can tap into my website, kathrynwilking.com. Just use my name here and check out my latest book, Practical Feng Shui for the Office, 3rd edition. And let's get your space working for you.